What if we told you that you could learn to fix your credit yourself and not have to pay a dime to any of these shady credit repair companies?
So here's the deal. We've created the Credit Essentials Bundle, which is a DIY credit repair course that has already helped over 8,000 people start improving their credit scores. Some of them seeing their scores go up 100 points, some of them 200 points, and some of them have even seen their scores go up over 300 plus points using this system.
Inside of the Credit Essentials Bundle, you're going to learn everything that you need to know to fix your credit. We walk you through every step in video format. You're going to learn how to read your credit report so that you can fully understand what's holding your credit score back. And you're going to learn how to remove negative items that are on your credit report. And I'm talking collections, charge-offs, repos, bankruptcies, you name it. We have the solution for you. You no longer have to worry about getting denied.
And here's the best part. It's not going to take you a long time. It's not going to take you months or anything like that. You can literally log into the online course at any time you want and begin getting results as quickly as 3 days. We've had plenty of students get results super fast, and why not you?
So let's do some quick math. So our Credit Essentials Bundle is a one-time investment of just $97. But let's talk about what your bad credit is costing you. It is determining your situation right now and keeping you stuck where you're at. So if you're driving a bad car that's about to break down, you can't get into a new car because of your bad credit. And if you do, it's going to cost you way more money than you can even afford. It's keeping you stuck in whatever living situation that you're in. So if you're trying to grow your family, or it's just not, a big enough space for you and your family, you're stuck in that situation. So if you think about it, what costs more? A one-time fee of $97 or being stuck in the situation that you're in and not knowing when you're going to get out of it?
Think about it. Why would you spend your money on someone else's empty promises when you have the power and the ability and the resources to fix it all yourself?
Exactly. And we've helped over 8,000 plus people, you guys. This isn't some gimmick. This is a solution that actually works. And the Credit Essentials Bundle is your chance to have a better financial future starting today. You can start getting results in as little as 24 hours, just like this student did. Or maybe your results will come in a little bit later and you'll get all of your hard inquiries removed within 3 days like this student did.
Or maybe you lock in just like this student and you get approved for your first $20,000 credit card.
Maybe you're somebody that goes on to fix your friends and family's credit and you increase your scores like this person did. And maybe you get them all into the 700 club like this student did.
We get it. There's a lot of skepticism on the internet. So over the years, we've collected hundreds and thousands of different testimonials and some video testimonials. So what we'll do is we'll roll a few of those right now, just so that you can see some of the results that you can expect to see for yourself.
And understand that we're real people, we're real human beings. And I think one of the best things about working with us is we fixed our credit ourselves, just like you're about to do.
Let me tell you, in the matter of a week and a half, being with this program and this phenomenal team of people, like a family unit, I have had 6 out of 8 inquiries removed from my Equifax credit file. I've had, and the 2 that's still there supposed to be there, I didn't dispute those. I've had 2 out of 3 inquiries removed from my TransUnion credit file, and the one that's there now is supposed to be there. Listen, please, the Credit Bull program is the truth. Dominique and her husband, Mikhail, y'all the truth. Thank you for allowing us to talk business with the Bennetts. God bless you.
So I listened to what Michael and Dom had to say. Follow the steps. I fixed my credit. But yeah, man, just got the bag. Just got the bag, yo. 25K. I just got 30K in the last week, yo. Apple Card gave me 6K. Hey, man, follow the steps. Fix your credit. Learn how to invest in yourself, man. And let's get this bag together, y'all.
So if you're ready to stop letting credit hold you back and start getting more approvals and start taking control of your financial future,
Then click the link below and get started with the Credit Essentials Bundle today.